In this video, I'll show you how to swap tokens on Phantom Wallet in just a few steps. So whether you're exchanging SOL, USDT, USDC, or other tokens, Phantom's built-in swap features make it quick and easy. First, make sure you have the latest version of Phantom Wallet installed on your mobile or desktop. And now open your Phantom Wallet app and make sure you have enough SOL to cover the transaction fees. So swaps require small amounts of SOL for gas fees, so keep some in your wallet. In here, click on the swap tab at the bottom of your corner and you'll see two fields from the token you want to swap and to the token you want to receive. So Phantom Wallet supports swaps between SOL, USDT, USDC, Ray, SRM, and more. And now, select a token you want to swap in from section. So, to give you all an example, I'm going to use the SOL. And for the token you want to receive, or the two, just simply select what kind of token you want to receive. So for example, I want to receive a Jupiter. Just select on that and Phantom will automatically show you the exchange rate, the estimated amount you'll receive, and the transaction fee. And after that, click review or order to double check the details. And if everything looks good, click swap and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few seconds. If the network is busy, transaction may take longer or cost more in fees. And after the swap is complete, go back to your Phantom Wallet home screen and your new token balance should now be updated. So if you don't see your tokens immediately, try refreshing the wallet and then check the transaction history. And that's it. That's how you swap to on Phantom Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.